On the Fire Watch now, nearly 6 weeks after flames forced people out of their homes in El Dorado and Placer counties, the Mosquito Fire is now 100% contained. But what does that really mean?
CBS 13's Laura Hafley is getting answers on why full containment doesn't mean the fire is out.
For several weeks, Wharton's Market here in Forest Hill housed firefighters, fire crews, EMTs, all filling up this parking lot, fighting the mosquito fire together. And while many of those resources have gone home, some are still here, battling what's left of the blaze. 76,000 acres of wildfire. The mosquito fire forced neighbors out of their homes.
Oh, it's not a good feeling.
As crews fought to protect them.
The firemen were in the backyard fighting it. And if they weren't there, it would have burned my house, so.
Even a decades-long resident of Forest Hill, like Martin Jordan, has never seen anything quite like this.
It's kind of sad.
But after weeks of an intense firefight, the U.S. Forest Service has declared the blaze 100% contained.
It was a long, hard battle. So to get to a point where people are back in their homes and we can start looking to get firefighters released and go home, it's a really good feeling.
But what does containment really mean? Mosquito Fire spokesperson Darren McMillan says the battle is not over yet.
Containment for firefighters is when we have the confidence, to walk away from that area and know with confidence it's not going to escape that area.
But it doesn't mean the fire is out. And even though resources have been released, there are still hundreds of firefighters on the ground. Even with 100% containment, you still have more than 500 firefighters on the ground. Why is that?
Yes, there is still some heat and smoke. They're getting rid of a lot of the fire damaged trees to make it safe for the community to drive on those roads.
While crews work to finish the job, neighbors are grateful to be home and students at Forest Hill High back in class.
I was scared and just worried that we weren't all going to be together after the fire.
Parts of the Tahoe and El Dorado National Forest affected by the fire are still closed while crews work to wrap this fire up completely. The cause of the mosquito fire is still unknown.